Hey guys, so now we're going to try plugging in with portions. So what do I mean by a portion? A portion is when it asks you for a probability of, a fraction of, a ratio of, percent of. That's a really popular one on the SAT. If you don't have a starting number, you can plug one in. So let's do this one together. So numbers increased by 25%. So let's underline that. Numbers increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. The result is what percent of the original number? Okay. So let's pick a number to start with. What's a good number to use when we're working with percents? 100. So let's say the number is 100. The numbers increased by 25%. So hopefully you guys know that if you're working with 100, 25% of 100 is 25. If I increase 100 by 25%, I get 125. Okay, then it is decreased by 20%. So I'm going to do 125 minus 20% of 125. Okay, so if you have a calculator, that's great. You can go ahead and multiply that. Let me show you guys a quick way to work with this in case you're ever confronted with something like this on a noun calculator section. So you might not know 20% of something off the top of your head, but 10% can be found very easily. 10% of 125 is 12.5. You just move the decimal place over once. So if 10% is 12.5, 20% is going to be 12.5 times 2, which is 25. Okay? So 125 minus 25 is 100. There we go. Okay. So let me just walk you through what we did here before we answer the question. First, we increased our number, 100, by 25%. We got 125. Then we decreased it by 20%. So you could either type this into your calculator, 125 minus 20.20 times 125. Or you could just realize, okay, what's 10% of 125? It's 12.5. 12.5 times 2 would be 20%. And that's 25. 125 minus 25 is 100. Okay, so now we've gone through this part. Let's see what the question is again. The result is what percent of the original number? Well, 100 is 100% of 100. They're the same number. So B is our answer. Okay? All right. So that was working with a portion. The rest of the problems that are here, some of them have portions, some of them don't, but they're all good plugging in problems.